Hey everyone, today you are going to understanding and learning about what is Excel. So this is a very important concept for anyone wants to learn and anyone who wants to initiating their career in IT sector or IT relevant jobs or any office you may choose to start working. Maybe you have to be familiar with Microsoft Excel. So this is the lecture. I'm going to explaining you a few points relevant to Microsoft Excel. So let's see. Microsoft Excel is an app. It might be desktop or specifically in Windows or mobile, wherever you can use it. So using Excel, also we can call it as spreadsheets. The Excel sheet or spreadsheet, which is a combination of rows and columns. The rows and columns. These rows and columns we can add data. We can call it as a data. So this data, how we can enter inside the Excel sheets. You can take a column titles, maybe student name or marks, subject, date of birth, address and contact. These are the title headings if you place as, and entering the independent student wise, class wise and section wise. However you require, you can enter the data inside the Excel sheet cell wise. If a name column is having cells, so name column you have to enter into the name of the student. At the same time, date of birth of the particular student, hall ticket number or roll number. You may add how many columns you want to collect the data. At the same time, if you are dealing with the customers, so respect to the customer details, what the parameters or what the column names you need to collect the data. Accordingly, you can place the column cell titles and entry the data. So these are the simple data sets I have given you an explanation. So sales data, pharma data and representatives data, industries data or states, countries, villages, what data you want to collect, easily you collect the data and entry into your Excel sheets. And adding this Excel sheets the data, once you understand the data, if any you have to learn the cleaning the data. So how to clean and how to avoid or removing the duplicates and categorizing the data. These are very important to put a clean data set within you. So these concepts you have to learn while learning in Excel. So learning and understanding what is Microsoft Excel. Excel will give you more power to play the data key roles. Cleaning the data, first collecting the data, cleaning the data and making understanding by a preparation of formulas. Maybe any calculations you may require or removing the duplicates or averages. What the formula you need, Excel is ready-madely having these all the formulas. But you need to you need to know how to write and apply. Once you understand this, and there are a few quickly analysis functionalities are readily available in Excel. So these analysis functionalities like a VLOOKUP is there, HLOOKUP is there, lookup formulas and adding to together you may apply more. XLOOKUP is also there, the latest one. Pivot tables, which is a simply aggregations, analysis and filtering. So many options are there in this functionality. And adding together, making formulas and applying, your data you can transform into visualization. Visualization is nothing but preparing the charts. So maybe pie chart, bar chart and stack charts and histograms and line charts. The progress, where the sales progress you want to see, maybe pie chart you can prepare or line chart you can prepare, or it might be like a bar charts. Whichever you business requirements, accordingly you need to prepare the charts. Once you have a clean data with you, then you can transforming the data into charts is very super easy. So learn to apply Excel, these simplifying the task and making the automation using macros. If you are advanced Excel user, along with the formulas, if you applied automations to making like macros, then you will be very familiar in Excel and you will get more packages. Ensure that learn from zero to hero level of Excel and be comfortable playing with the challenges with the data. So start learning today to learning what Excel to the roadmap. Wish you good luck.